Let x of k be a 12-point DFT of length 12 real sequence x of n. First 7 samples are given as x of 0 8, x of 1 minus 1 plus 2j, etc. up to x of 6 are given. Now you have to determine the remaining samples of x of k. So how many samples should be there? It should be there should be 12 samples starting from 0 and it should end at x of 11. So we don't know what is the value of x of 7, x of 8, etc. up to x of 11, and using this given samples you have to find the value of rest samples. So you have a complex conjugate property which says x of k is equal to x conjugate of minus k. So you can write x conjugate of minus k is equal to minus k plus n. Since this is a periodic sequence, so you can always write x conjugate of minus k. If it is periodic, then x conjugate of minus k will be equal to x conjugate of minus k plus n, right? So you know what is the value of x of 0 to 6. Now we have to find x of 7. Now x of 7 will be equal to x conjugate, k is replaced as minus 7, 7. So this can be written as x conjugate n minus k. This is same. So now you n is 12 minus 7. So this is equal to x conjugate 12 minus 7 is 5. So you just take the conjugate of x of 5. Your x of 5 is 3 plus 1j. So x conjugate of 5 is 3 minus 1j. So like this you can find out what value of x of 8. It will be equal to x conjugate 12 minus 8. So it is x conjugate 4. So answer will be conjugate of x of 4, that is minus 2 minus 2j. Now x of 9 will be equal to x conjugate 12 minus 9. It will be equal to 1 plus 4j. Now x of 10 will be equal to x conjugate 12 minus 10. So x conjugate 2, 2 minus 3j. Then x of 11 will be equal to x conjugate 12 minus 11 is equal to minus 1 minus 2j. So this is how you calculate if you are provided with first some samples, then you can find the remaining samples using this property. X of k is equal to x conjugate minus k. This is the same as that DFT of real sequence. These are the some properties of DFT of real sequence. For DFT of real sequence, x of k is equal to x conjugate of minus k. Okay, you apply that property, you will be getting the answers for remaining sequences, remaining values.